Welcome to the Fast Track Quantity Surveying YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to get free career guidance and tips to ace your job interviews. My name is Fawzar, and I have several years of experience in the field of quantity surveying. I am also a certified project management professional. This is video number 2 in our series. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to cover 2 important interview questions for aspiring quantity surveyors, the key skills required for a QS and the stages of a construction project. Let's dive in. The first question is, what are the key skills required for a quantity surveyor? Here's a quick breakdown. Strong analytical and mathematical skills to estimate costs and analyze budgets accurately. Good communication and interpersonal skills, essential for coordinating with architects, engineers, and clients. Excellent attention to detail, because even small mistakes can have major cost implications. Proficiency in software like MS Excel, AutoCAD, and CostX. These tools are key for efficient QS work. Knowledge of building regulations and construction law ensures compliance and smooth project execution. Ability to work under pressure and meet deadlines. Construction projects often involve tight schedules. Strong negotiation and problem-solving skills, vital for managing contracts, variations, and disputes. Mastering these skills will set you apart as a capable quantity surveyor. The second question is, what are the different stages of a construction project? Let's go step by step. Pre-construction stage. This includes site investigation, developing the project design, and obtaining necessary permits. Quantity surveyors prepare initial cost estimates and tender documents during this phase. Construction stage. This is the building phase where the team executes the project plan. Quantity surveyors monitor costs, progress, and ensure everything stays on budget and schedule. Post-construction stage. Finally, this stage involves testing, commissioning, and handing over the project to the client. Quantity surveyors finalize accounts and prepare cost reports at this stage. Understanding these stages is crucial for any aspiring QS professional. To sum up, having the right skills and understanding the construction project lifecycle are fundamental for any quantity surveyor. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please support us by sharing it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to the Fast Track Quantity Surveying channel for more career tips and QS insights. See you in the next video.